Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today we are going to learn about proportions. Specifically, we will look at the equation of two equal ratios and how to understand the relationship between A over B equals C over D. So, what exactly is a proportion? A proportion is simply a mathematical statement declaring that two ratios are equal. It essentially tells us that the relationship between two specific quantities matches the relationship between two other quantities. When you see a fraction equal to another fraction, you are looking at a proportion. Let's visualize this. On the screen, you can see two circle charts. The first shows 1/2, where 1 out of 2 sections is filled. The second shows 2/4, where 2 out of 4 sections are filled. Even though the numbers are different, the amount of space filled is exactly the same. This is what it means for two ratios to be equal. To solve problems involving proportions, we use a tool called the cross-product property. It states that in any proportion, the product of the diagonal values is equal. This is often called cross-multiplication or the butterfly method. As you can see, A times D will always equal B times C. Let's try a simple problem to see how this works. We have the equation, x over 4 equals 3 over 6. Our goal is to find the value of x. To do this, we will identify the cross products, set them equal to each other, and then solve for x. Here is the step-by-step solution. First, we cross-multiply. We take 6 times x on one side and 4 times 3 on the other. This gives us the equation 6x equals 12. Now, to get x by itself, we simply divide both sides by 6. The result is x equals 2. Why is this useful? Proportions are everywhere in real life. If you are cooking and need to scale up a recipe from 4 people to 10, you use proportions to adjust the ingredients. Or, when reading a map, proportions help you convert a single inch on paper to real-world miles. A common mistake beginners make is misaligning the units. If you put miles on the top and hours on the bottom on the left side, you must do exactly the same on the right side. Never flip one side, or your answer will be incorrect. To wrap up, remember that a proportion is just an equation of two equal ratios. You can solve them easily using the cross-product method, where A times D equals B times C, and always double-check that your units are aligned correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.